Hi guys, it's me, Norah, and today we will be doing an ice cream project. And how I got this piece of paper to make it is from Animal Jam. And
Tell us about
the
it.
Crystal Canyons, you go up the stairs and there's the I Spy thing, and that's how you get the paper. You click on something in there, and then it makes the paper bring up, and you grab the paper. And
then you printed it off, and we got the recipe on how to make our own
Daddy,
homemade ice cream.
what am I going to do? Pour in this bag first.
All right, so I think what we pour in is the milk. How about we do that?
Milk first.
Or do you want to maybe do the sugar first? How about we do the sugar first, eh? Because
Let's do the sugar first.
that's easier.
And this, you're supposed to use half and half, but we're using regular soy milk.
Regular soy milk.
And it still tastes good,
Soy
because I
milk.
tasted my brother's. Now, how do I open
Don't spill
this?
your milk, okay?
Oh, that scared me.
Let's move your milk out of the way a little tiny bit.
Did I used to call them T-birds? Did somebody call? Okay, I don't know.
What was it?
I don't know it.
You can pour it in the milk, probably.
No, I can't.
Oh, you're gonna pour it in the bag?
One. You need 3 scoops.
3 scoops, all right.
3 full scoops.
What is that? Is that a teaspoon? That's a tablespoon, right?
This is a tablespoon.
All right.
3 tablespoons.
That's
sugar.
1, 2, 5. 3 sides.
Daddy!
Oh, sorry.
This is 3.
Okay. 5.
And now
5
the
scoops.
milk.
No, 3. Now milk.
Now the milk is gonna go in really.
Be so careful.
I've got the milk in. That
Oh,
sure
nice.
does look delicious.
Nice job,
Are
honey.
you gonna speed up?
The process of shaking it in the bag.
Yeah, that's the plan. I'll speed it up. We'll be really careful with that one. What's that stuff?
It's just a little it's a little one, whatever it's called.
It's a vanilla. Pour it in the bag. We can talk about it. It doesn't. So that's a teaspoon of vanilla, and I think how much milk was it? Did you say was it a cup?
It was a bowl like this.
It's a cup.
It's a cup. Cup bowl.
Nice.
Now
What do I add in here?
I think now what you do is you zip it up.
I'm gonna zip this up
All right.
and then I'm gonna put it in the bag.
Well, what about our rock salt?
Oh yeah!
We gotta talk
And
about
then
the rock
take
salt.
the rock salt, if you have any, and pour it inside of the ice. There has to be like this big baggie of
That's just a bag full of ice,
but
right?
don't fill it up all the way.
Don't fill it up all the way.
Because you
all right.
need room for the rock salt.
Yeah, this is just like a freezer
And
bag, right?
This makes the ice cream taste good.
Okay.
The rock salt. And
Okay.
now you insert the bag and check if there's no leakage.
Yeah, we don't want any leaks, right?
Okay, now let's
inside of this.
Okay.
plop your mixture inside of the thing,
Okay.
and then you need to shake it for 5 minutes. Turn the timer on. Turn it on.
I don't really know how to. So I'm gonna do our
5
kitchen
minutes.
timer.
5 minutes.
Hey Nora, I am. Relax. Okay, it's
then
starting.
Shake it. This gets cold in a while. I can feel the ice cream in my mouth already. I can already speed it up.
Now don't break open your